students, how are you? Today we'll solve cognitive assessment number 12 from المعاصر book to lesson 7 unit 3. Question number 1, complete the following: 5 squared, it's meaning 5 power 2. Letter B, in the algebraic expression 5x minus 3y power 2 plus 4, the constant here equal 4. It will be the constant. We have 3 terms in this expression, then the constant here will be equal 4. Next question, letter C, the greatest common factor between 12 and 9 is 3. Because 12 equals 3 times 4 and 9 equals 3 times 3, then the least common multiplication between two of them it will be 3. And we know 9 equals 3 times 3, then the least common multiplication between them equals 3. Letter D, the variable from expression k minus 5, we called it here number subtracted by 5. We want the variable form k minus 5, we can write here what? Number subtract by 5, or you can write 5 less than k, or you can write the number k less 5. You can write subtract 5 from k, subtract 5 from k. Question letter E, the value of expression 4 times 3x plus 1 at x equal 1. We can put x equal 1 in this expression to find the result. We have here 4 times 3x plus 1. Put x equal 1. 4 times 3 times 1 equal 3 plus 1. The result will be 4 times 4, it will be equal 16. Letter E, the result will be 16. Next question, number 2, choose the correct answer. Question letter E, the value of the expression 4 times 3x plus 1 at x equal 1. Put x equal 1 in this expression, then the result will be 4 times 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 equals 4, and 4 times 4 equals 16. Understood? The result will be here equals 16. Next question, choose the correct answer. Again, letter E, understood it. We put x equal 1. Put x here equal 1, then the value of the expression will be equal 16, because 4 times 4 equals 16. Okay, next question. Number 2, choose the correct answer. The like term is in the expression 2x plus 3x plus 3r. Like term is here, it will be 2x and 3x. We have like terms 2x and 3x. 2x plus 3x. We can write 2x and 3x. We call the like terms in the expression. Letter B, in the opposite number line, the integer which represent b here b equal negative 4. The opposite number line, the integer which represent b equal negative 4. Question letter C, absolute value of negative 3.5 or 7 over 2, it will be equal to 3.5. It will be positive, convert from negative to positive about this example, and it will be equal 3.5 equals 7 over 2. We can convert from mixed number to improper. 3 times 2 equals 1 plus 1, 3 plus 2 equals 6 plus 1 equals 7. The result will be 7 over 2. Question letter D, 1111 divided by 17. 1 divided by 17, it's less than, so we can write 111 divided by 17. We must know the digit multiplication by 17. The result will be nearest to 111. Put 6. Okay, again, 17 times 6 equal what? 6 times 7 equal 42. Write 2 and carry up 4. 1 times 7 equals 7. 1 times 6 equals 6 plus 4 equals 10. Then the result will be 102. 102 less than 111. We can write 6 in the quotient. And 102 subtract from 111. The difference between them equal 9. And then drop 1 behind the 9. It will be 91. 91 divided by 17 equal what? We can find 17 times 5. 5 times 7 equal 85. 17 times 5 equal 85. 5 times 7 equals 35. Write 5 and carry up 3. 1 times 5 equal 5. 5 plus 3 equal 8. The result here will be equal what? The remainder will be 6. Again, 91 minus 85 equals 6. So the remainder will be 6. The result will be 65 and the remainder 6. Choose letter D. Again, I will solve question letter D again. 1111 divided by 17. 1 is less than 17, 11 less than. Then 111 can divide by 17. 17 times what equal number nearest to 111. We can find the multiplication between 17 and 6. 6 times 17. 6 times 7 equal 42. Write 2 and carry a 4. 1 times 6 equals 6 plus 4 equal 10. The result will be 102. Nearest to 111. Write 6 outside and 102 down. Find the difference between them. 2 minus 2, 1 minus 2, we can't do it, so you must pull 1 from 1 here. It will be 11 minus 2 equal 9. And then drop 1 here. 91 divided by 17, it will be 5, because 5 times 17 equal 85. Write 5 as a quotient. Write 5 outside in the quotient. 5 times 7 equals 35. Write 5 and carry up 3. 1 times 5 equal 5 plus 3 equal 8. The difference between them equals 6. So the remainder here will be equal 6 about question letter D. Choose letter D. Question letter E. Absolute value of negative 9 less than space. The absolute value of negative 9, it will be 9. 9 less than 10. Choose letter D. Question 3. Examine these two expressions and determine whether they are equal. If so, consider whether they are always equal. Complete each task. The first expression, 2 times x plus 1 in parentheses, and the second expression, 2x plus 2. Try to find a value of x that will make this expression equal. We must put x equal 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on to find the equality. If we use distributive properties about this expression, 2 times x equal 2x and 2 times 1 equal 2, then it will be equal 2. Okay, we can find the value of x of this expression. For x equal 1, then the first result about first expression here, it will be 2 times 1 plus 1 equal 2. The result will be 4. And when x equal 1 in this expression, the result will be 2 times 1 equal 2 plus 2 equal 4. The result will be 2 plus 2 equal 4. Then we have two equality result when x equal 1, and when x equal 2 the result will be equality. If x equal 3 the first expression equal to the second expression. Look at all value, then all values for x that will make this expression equal. Okay, all values for x makes this expression equal. All values for x makes these expressions equals. Try to find a value for x that will make the expressions not equal. No values of x, because the first expression equals the second expression, so no value for x. Question letter C. Decide if these two expressions are always equal and if they should be considered equivalent expression. The two expressions are equivalent. Okay, then we can find the two expressions are what? Are equivalent. Understood? In this expression 1 and 2 it will be equality. Question number 4. From the opposite Venn diagram, letter A is the value of x and value of y. We can find the value of x by multiplication all digits. Here we have 7 and 2 and 5. 7 times 2 times 5 equal 70. Then the value of x it will be 70, and the value of y will be equal 3 times 2 times 5 times 2 will be 60. The greatest common factor between two numbers here it will be 2 times 5 equal 10. So the result about question letter C, greatest common factor, it will be 2 times 5 equal 10. And what about least common multiplication between them? 7 times 2 times 5 times 3 times 2. To find the least common multiplication all digits in the Venn diagram, the result will be what? 2 times 5 equal 10, 10 times 5 equals 70, 70 times 6 here equal 420. Then the result will be 420.